Welcome to my channel, and today I'll be making some crispy smashed potatoes with aioli sauce. So let's get started. First, you'll need to bring some water to a boil. Next, we're going to work on our sauce, and all we need is some jalapeno peppers, lime, garlic, mayo. We're just going to blend. And do keep in mind that the full ingredients will be on my blog. You can find the link in the description box below. Once water comes to a boil, season with salt and cook potatoes until they are fork tender. Next, place potato on a baking sheet. Smash and season with olive oil, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and bake at 425 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Once your potatoes are done, place sauce on top of the potatoes and garnish with some parsley. You have it, crispy smashed potatoes with aioli sauce. So thank you for watching this video. Go ahead and like the video, comment, and subscribe for more videos as well. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Take care.